What is up, guys? My name is Mark Santamaria. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC vlog. Guys, you gotta tell me when I'm not straight. Merry Christmas, guys. This is Christmas morning. You just got your brand new Traxxas car and it doesn't work. It's so frustrating. You don't know how to fix it, and even worse, the Traxxas customer service is closed. Well, don't worry. I am going to show you guys the most common problems with the Traxxas car and how to fix them really quick. So let me get straight to it, but make sure you stay after I show everything because I got more messages for you guys. So hold on one second. Brand new Traxxas car. Woo, yay, it's cool. This is the Rustler two-wheel drive, the Rustler two-wheel drive stadium truck, brushed version. This is not the VXL. All these problems will work the exact same on a VXL car, so no worries there. VXL is the faster brushless versions. Ooh, look how pretty it is. Wow. Hold on. All right, so you get it. You got to put batteries in the remote. Batteries in the remote. All right, got batteries in the remote. You got a battery. You plug it up, and it does something weird. Let's see what it does when I first plug it up. Everything works perfectly fine. First off, before you plug it up and hit the power button, make sure the wheels are off the ground. I use, if your wife or mom or whoever has a yoga block, perfect car stand. So this time when I plugged it up, everything worked fine. It lights up and it looks like this. It's green, that's good. But a lot of times people get a red blinking light that looks like this.
1 hour later.
All right, sorry, it was hard. I had to force the air. This one actually turned on, it was perfectly fine. Both lights were green. But it will do a blinking like that. That's a slow red blinking light. What that means is it went into Lipo cutoff mode. So Lipo batteries, this is a Lipo battery right here. And this is a nickel metal hydride battery. This battery has a cutoff point where it has to cut off at a certain voltage. These do not. So if you're running these normal batteries and it goes in Lipo cutoff mode, it's because the voltage isn't high enough. And I'll show you how to fix that. The first thing you want to do is you want to unplug the battery, plug it back in, and then when you power it up, it should be green. It should be green just like that. That means it's in Lipo mode, green like that. If it's not green and it's still blinking, that means your battery's way too dead. Charge it up a little bit. After it's on, you want to push and hold this for a super long time. Push and hold, the light will turn off. Just keep holding it. Keep holding it. There you go. It made that beep. Did you hear that beep? It made that little beeping noise. Now it is in nickel metal hydride mode. It's now solid red. And it is running the batteries. You should work now. It's working now. And that problem is fixed. So after you do that, if this happened out of the box, what you want to do is you want to turn the car off. Let me hold the camera so you guys can see it better. So solid red means it's in nickel metal hydride mode, which is, that's fine. Sometimes it might sit like this. It might sit off and make a noise like this. This means your ESC needs to be calibrated again. So the way you calibrate it is you turn the car off, and then you push and hold this. When you turn on, hold it. It's going to be green, and it's going to turn red. When it turns red, you let go. It's going to blink once. You're going to go full throttle. Blink twice, full brake. It's going to go solid, and then it's going to sit at the solid red light. I don't know if I explained that very well, but you saw what I did. One blink, full throttle, two blinks, full brake, and then let it go at neutral. And now everything should work. Again, if you're running a nickel metal hydride battery just like this, it will look like that, or it will look like that. This light needs to be red in order to avoid voltage cutoff, which is your problem with the slowly red blinking light. So real quick, if you get two red lights, oh look, this one's blinking now. So this is your receiver. This is the module that communicates with your remote. So if this light isn't green, that means that it's not connected to your remote. This means my remote isn't on. So when I turn this on, it turns green, you're perfectly fine. So long this light is green, you're good there. And you just gotta worry about this part. So that's the fast blinking light on your receiver. Let's see what happens if I turn it off. Yeah, starts blinking again. So that means there's no connection between your remote and your receiver. Here's another good one. The fast blinking green light doesn't do anything. That means your ESC needs to be recalibrated. So again, to calibrate it, you turn it off. Turn it back on, but hold it. It's gonna turn red. You're gonna let go. Blink once, full throttle. Blink twice, full brake. Goes green, neutral, and it's fixed. All right, another one is if your car won't go in reverse. If your car won't go in reverse, do that calibration trick again where you push and hold it. When it turns red, let go, and then you do full throttle, full brake. If it still won't go in reverse, that means you're in a different driving mode. So these things have 3 different driving modes. The first one is 100% full throttle, 100% full reverse. The second one is 100% full throttle, 100% brake, but no reverse. And the third one is 50-50, so 50% throttle, 50% brake. So to get out of those modes, basically you want to push and hold with the car off. It's going to go red, you're still holding. Now it's going to blink once. That's normal mode. Blink twice. That's race mode, which race mode is the one with no reverse. So watch. See, it just won't go in reverse even if I wanted it to. That's because it is in race mode. Race mode, you cannot go in reverse. So, to fix that, turn the car off. Turn it back on. Hold it. Goes red. It's going to blink red once. There's one blink. You're going to let go. Now, that's normal driving mode. So now, full throttle. Full reverse. This battery's almost dead, by the way. And you're good to go. Now, there's one more mode that you might want, the sport mode, which is 50-50. Let me turn this off. All right, I had to put a new battery because this battery was super dead. I put a Lipo battery. Now I'm gonna turn it on. If you're running Lipo, remember you want that to be green. If it's red, after it's on, you push and hold this. It's gonna take about 10 seconds. It's gonna beep. There you go, it beeped. Now it's green, so now it's in Lipo mode. Green means it's in Lipo mode. Now, look how much throttle I have. That's a lot of throttle. Now, if this car is for one of the little ones and you want to slow it down, or someone that's not as comfortable yet, you turn this off. And then when you turn it back on, you push and hold. It's gonna go red, then it's gonna blink once. Blink twice. Blink 3 times, and then let go. Now it's what they call in sport mode, which is 50-50 mode or beginner mode. Now it's 50% throttle, not as fast. So it's a lot easier to control versus the super fast mode. Now, if all that works perfectly fine and the lights are doing exactly what they're supposed to, they're green, just like, I have to drop this brand new car. Green, just like that. And everything works fine, but your motor's still not turning. There's one last thing you can do to test your motor. I don't do this very often because I pretty much know when this happens, the motor's blown. But the way you test it, it's a little sketchy, just hear me out, is you disconnect these motor wires here. There you go. And you can actually, sketchy, connect the cables directly into the motor here. See that? So you can put the battery directly into the motor to make sure the motor works. Now if you put it directly into the battery and it doesn't work, that means your motor is blown. So there it goes. So the motor will blow if it's like got a lot of dirt in it, or you've ran it way too hot, you put a lot of water in it. For the most part, they're pretty robust. Like if you're just driving it, unless it gets crazy hot, it should be perfectly fine. But that is how you can test the motor. You can test it directly to the battery. So I hope that video helped. I hope your car is running. If you haven't done so already, go check out my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. I have a whole bunch of videos coming. I have basically published 5 videos a week. I do everything RC car related. A lot of Traxxas stuff, a lot of Arma stuff. I'll try it out and review a whole bunch of other cars. I'm also a racer, so if you want to see what it's like to actually race at that high level, you can see that also. But I think you'll really like it if you're into these things, so check it out. Another reason why you want to like and subscribe is because I'm giving cars away like crazy. The next few weeks, I will be giving away at least 3 cars. I'm actually giving away this car, and the way you win is you just got to watch the channel, and in one of the live feeds or one of the videos, I will announce how to win, and you will have a chance to win a brand new RC car. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and you guys will see me next time. Later, guys.